We are headed back down to Louisiana.
You are? A little more work to do.
Yep, just a little bit.
Okay, cool.
It's just really nice to be able to fly down instead of drive.
I mean, the weather kept being either too bad taking off or too bad landing. Kind of wasn't worth it. Plus, there was some stuff we were going to have to haul back.
Yeah.
So we needed the car anyway on a couple of trips. But a big estate sale this weekend, and everything cleared out. The house will stay in the family.
Looks like it will, so that's good. And we'll be making very many more trips.
It's just, I mean, your dad was the youngest of what, 8? 7? And your mom was the youngest of 13. Oh, all of the relatives have already preceded them.
Right.
And so, all their, your aunts and uncles and, everything, and they've all passed away. And
Right. I do have cousins, and and so there are quite a few of those still in the area, and we do get with them occasionally.
well, we get with them when we go down to see your mom or dad.
Right.
No offense, I don't know if we're going to make a special trip just to go see it. Maybe occasionally.
Yeah, and I'm sure we'll stop if we're going to be heading somewhere in that vicinity.
Yeah, I mean, fuel stop, go get some Johnnies, stop in, see a couple of people, and, probably not spend the night, but, spend the day. But, well, yeah, it's kind of one of the last trip or two that we have to do or need to do.
Yeah.
For that, it's just going to be kind of like, I don't know.
No. Yeah, Johnny's Pizza keeps me in the loop that we haven't seen you in a while. Where are you? What happened?
On your messages or yeah. Well, since about mid-January, all the way up until your dad passed away, we were down there about every week.
I know. Yeah, we ate plenty of pizza.
Wichita, Colonel James Labara Airport. Automated weather observations. 1343 Zulu. Wind 180 at 03. Visibility 10. Sky conditions overcast 9,000. Temperature 24 Celsius. Dew point 21 Celsius. Altimeter 3010. Remarks. Density altitude 2,700.
Jamar traffic, Skylane 80 Papico, taxi and run up area 18, Jamar.
Florida traffic, Skyhawk 1270 Kilo, right downwind for run 118.
Watch him.
Florida traffic, 1270 Kilo, upwind from runway 18.
Florida traffic, Skylane 80 Papico, taking off 18, Jamar.
Approaching runway 18. Entered runway 18. 6,000 feet remain.
See that now.
Florida traffic, Skyhawk 1270 Kilo, turning right crosswind from runway 18.
That's green. Your speed's alive. Road.
Florida traffic, Skyhawk 1270 Kilo, turning right downwind for runway 18.
Florida traffic, Skylane 80 Papico, turning a left, crosswind 18, parting the area to the east.
Right us here.
Just below it.
Coming off of Stearman there.
Yeah. Oh, I see him. He's way down there. See him.
Oh, I see him now.
traffic, 1 lane up here is 10 northwest of the future bar traffic, stop 1270 kilo, clear of runway 18.
Rain off to the east there.
I know it.
So much for my tailwind.
There's traffic.
Went ahead and put in waypoints around MOAs.
Yeah.
That's why.
School Rocky 16, your cancellation was received.
That works.
Do this on the clouds.
Huh?
So you can put whatever altitude you want, just if you want to kind of see where the clouds are at.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's at 14, but you can hit auto, and it'll put it down at the altitude you're at. It's kind of a neat feature. Climb a little bit, looks like. It's in front of us.
Yeah. We're right beside Paul. Let's go.
From 1
What, the airport?
Well, no, the town. The airport's just a little west of it, so. Oh, there's the little town right there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
And then the airport's right over there. You can see it. You'll be able to see it here in a second.
Oh yeah, I can see it. No, we've seen it before from the air. We've always been a little bit further to the east.
Yeah, yeah.
Pretty little lake right north of it.
Oh, I know it. I was looking at that. There's quite a few houses and boat docks on it.
We would have been right in those.
Yeah.
I'll go over there just a touch. I'm good.
Sounds good to me. That one's built up pretty good over there.
Yeah, it has. Wasn't much of a deviation. I figure it's worth it.
Yeah.
Okay, 3032, I think it was about 3 miles out on the VO118 with the traffic light to follow. Okay.
This lake is so big because it just goes on and on. It has all those little fingers on it.
Yeah. Just a little airport right here.
Ski-took.
Skytook, yeah. That's a nice little airport.
No traffic with atmosphere, north lane close to Echo turning final. 8 goes 5.
We'll fly right over Tulsa's airport.
I know it. It's downtown right there.
Oh, yeah.
You can see the high rises.
One coming in.
Let's see, zoom on it, see if you can see it very well.
82 Delta, Tulsa approach, I have you now loud and clear. If you're on 24-0, we've been having some problems with 124.0. Change over to 119.1.
Also, sure spread out, isn't it?
It is. I was thinking the same thing.
It's the Indian Nations Parkway right there in front of us. Here it goes and dog legs and goes again.
Yeah.
There's Muskoge's airport right there.
Runway is long.
It is. Because there's the road we drive down when we drive all the time.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, they have 3 runways. Gosh, that one is 7,000 feet long.
It looked long, didn't it?
Did.
We're getting ready to cross I-40 here in a minute.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
That's when we come down into Oklahoma City and cut over, but that was just so much traffic
Yeah.
that we started going through the outskirts of Tulsa when we drive.
There's more sandbars than water in this river.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Oh, yeah, same thing over here. Surprises me with all the rain we've gotten lately.
I know.
Ain't much to this little airport, Stigler or whatever.
Yeah, maybe that's why their weather's out or something.
I only see 2 planes on the apron. We're down to only a 3-knot headwind.
Yeah.
Supposed to get a 1-knot to 2-knot tailwind. There's a boatload of chicken houses right here, and they look fairly new, or the roofs do anyway.
I saw some over here, just a couple, but see them more and more.
Oh.
Ferry traffic, 0833. We'll be making a right. We'll be entering a. We'll be making a right turn for a left downwind onto runway 17. Ferry traffic.
I'm gonna do something. I'm just not sure. I know what I'm gonna do. I just don't know how to say it.
Well, it's like you. Turn left right here. Left or right? Just follow my fingers, not what it said.
Boy, all of a sudden there is just solid trees.
We're just getting it. Well, we're getting into the foothills of the Wichita Mountains.
Yeah.
Haze up there too.
I know it. I was looking at that.
If it wasn't 5,500 feet, we could have gone through it.
Yeah.
This MOA right here. As you see, it's kind of yellowed or oranged out. That said it's hot. But the only way to know that is you got to have your NOTAMs on. See, if you take your NOTAMs off, it'll just show cold all the time.
Right.
And then when your NOTAMs on, it'll show if it's hot or cold. It'll turn gray if it's cold. And we're just going to clip just the edge of it there. It's that road that's on top of the ridge that goes to Queen.
Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah.
There's our 2-knot tailwind I was expecting.
Oh, good deal. I'm beginning to get a little overcast above us.
Yeah, it is getting, and I think from what I saw, it was around 12,000 feet. We're under it right here.
Right.
And it's right at 12. I thought it was 12. From the 10, we're clear. I don't know why the clouds never worked before. I tried to get them to do it, and it just wouldn't, but now it is.
Yeah.
For our left wings, they're a diamond mine that we had a lot of fun at.
Yeah.
It's just a volcano cauldron that just kind of sucked in and everything. Anyway, we'll put a little link to the video when we went hunting for diamonds. Weren't very successful, but
No, not. Got rocks. Well, they actually have other gemstones there too. I didn't realize that, but we didn't find anything.
we didn't find anything worth anything.
Even really pretty rocks.
No.
It was fun though. I wouldn't mind doing it again. It
I
was
will go
fun.
back again.
And over Interstate 30. It's just steady gotten hazy, hasn't
It
it?
has.
Skyhawk 5, William Tango with the speed. This next approach speed via radar vectors to VR32. Skyhawk 5, William Tango, turn right heading 32, correction 140.
Right heading 140.
5, William Tango.
El Dorado's got a nice little airport there, doesn't it?
Did.
Monroe Tower, information Bravo, 1553 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10, clear enter below 12,000, the 28, 2.22, altimeter 3017, visual approach release, landing in departing runway 22, use caution for bird activity in the area. Notice the airman, runway 422 ILS unserviceable, runway 22 exit sign at taxiway Kilo, missing, runway 32 exit sign at taxiway Alpha, missing, taxiway Bravo, taxiway Delta, arrivals, contact approach on 126.9er. Advise on initial contact, give information, Bravo.
Monroe approach, Skylane November 80 Papa Echo.
November 80 Papa Echo, Monroe approach, mile altimeter 3016.
3016 Papa Echo.
November 80 Papa Echo, say request.
We're at 5,200, descending 3,500 inbound with Bravo for the visual 22.
Skylane 80 Papa Echo, squawk 0227.
0227 Papa Echo.
Skylane 0 Papa Echo, radar contacts 30 miles northwest of Monroe Airport. Advise me whenever you have information, Bravo.
We have Bravo 0 Papa Echo.
Skylane 0 Papa Echo, roger, enter a right base to runway 22.
Right base 220 Papa Echo.
No, we don't really need to enter a right base. We are
On a right base, yeah.
Skyhawk 966, Lima Tango, Ruston clearance, clear to the Ruston Airport as filed. Maintain 3,000, expect 5,000, 10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 126.9er, 054 tree.
It done got warm, didn't it?
Did. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Whew.
Rear track 172, how will this approach terminate? Rear track 172, what is your requested altitude back to Alexandria?
Sterlington looks like in front of us.
4,000, clear track 172.
Yeah, we're supposed to pass right over Sterlington.
Rear track 172, roger, on a proceed direct to Alexandria, climb maintain 3,000. Clear 904 Charlie Kilo, Monroe approach, final altimeter 3016, descend maintain 2,000, expect visual approach runway 22.
2,000, plan visual 22, not 4 Charlie Kilo.
Low now.
Huh?
Low now. Yeah, there's the bridge right in front of us.
Skyhawk 1327 November, final altimeter 3016, say request.
There's a plan I worked out straight in front of us. I can see the 3 ammonia tanks, the 2 white ones and the big one.
Yeah.
Right is kind of got all the insulation off it.
Boy, all the rest of it's gone though.
27 November. Expect vectors on runway 18 approach in about 10 miles. Skyhawk, correction, Skyhawk 966 Lima Tango, Ruston clearance, release for departure, entering control airspace, flight runway heading.
Merced should be right over here. There's Frenchman's Bend. We're flying over.
Citation 245 Mike
Class
Golf.
Delta in 5.3 miles.
Clearance clear to the hangover from the Indian Airport. Filed, maintain 3000. Expect flight level 4501.
Our actual house will be on my side, won't it?
Think so, yeah.
Clear visual approach, runway 22, contact tower.
Reservation 6894 Charlie Kilo.
The Lear's in front of us, coming down.
Oh, I see it. Think he'll beat us.
Oh yeah. Skylane 0 Papa Echo, contact tower 118.9.
Over to tower, 0 Papa Echo. Have a blessed day. Monroe Tower, Skylane, November 80 Papa Echo's on a right base, visual 22.
November 80 Papa Echo, Monroe Tower, wind calm, runway 22, clear to land.
22, clear to land, 0 Papa Echo.
It is right there.
November 0 Papa Echo, use caution for flock of birds approach and runway 22.
I will look out for 0 Papa Echo. Thanks for the heads up.
November 4 Charlie Kilo, turn right, taxiway Echo, contact ground point 901 off.
191 off Echo.
500. Traffic on runway 22.
See the bird?
Yeah, I did.
And 0 Papa Echo's going to L.
November 0 Papa Echo, roger, Fable, turn right, runway 32, contact ground point 901 off.
All right, turn right at 32 and ground 21.9.
Approaching runway 1432. Entered runway 1432.
Monroe ground, Skylane, November 80 Papa Echo's off at 22 at 32, going to L.
Skyline 80 Papa Echo, Monroe ground, taxi to flight via Charlie Golf.
Flight via Charlie Golf, 0 Papa Echo.
Well, he's over here. I think he's motioning.
Okay. Job.
Well, you had a nice landing.
Yeah, it's a little, it floated a little, but 90 degrees here.
No, you can tell. It's warm.
All right, welcome to Monroe.
Well, we just landed, and as usual, anytime we go to Monroe or Ruston, first stop, Janis